Titiro, look, here comes the manui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. What are you all looking at?
Something's falling out of the sky, Kōkā!
Could it be drizzling rain?
It's not ua ko patapata, drizzling rain, Kōkā. It's mā, white.
It's hukapapa, snow.
He hukapapa, there's snow. Let's celebrate with a song.
Mātenga, mātenga, whakakia ki te mātauranga. Pakihiwi, pakihiwi, pakihiwi. Umaki waho, kia ki te ato ihi.
Mātenga pakihiwi turi māti wai. Mātenga pakihiwi turi māti wai. Karu, kāringa wahane tehu. Mātenga pakihiwi turi māti wai. Mātenga pakihiwi turi māti wai.
Waia, wow, wow, wow! Tēnā koutou Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Wao! What's the weather forecast today?
He rangi mātou. It's a very cold day today. It's also snowing outside. You must wear warm clothes or you might end up mawiwi, sick. It's also a good day for hot food and drinks. No mai te takurua, winter.
Oh, I don't like getting sick. Let's put our warm clothes on.
A kete has been gifted to you by te Wao Arapū. Inside is the word of the day.
Let's spell the word.
Winter is the word of the day.
Look, it stopped snowing. Let's go see Pāpā Rākau.
Kamariki mā, noho mai ki a pukakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
A person can get sick if they don't look after themselves.
Don't worry, Pāpā Rākau. We all have our mahana warm jackets. Titiro mai.
What are you doing on this cold day?
Nothing. What can we do on a winter day?
I have an idea. You could make a tangata hukarere, a snowman.
What's that?
Let's have a look. Let's make a tangata hukarere, a snowman. Stack 3 snowballs on top of each other. A big snowball at the bottom, a medium-sized snowball in the middle, and a small one for the mahunga head.
That doesn't look like a tangata hukarere. Snowman, Pāpā Rākau.
Don't worry, you'll soon see. Next up is its ringa-ringa, arms. Put branches on either side of the body. Those will be its arms. And his mata, face. The kohatu, stones, can be used for its eyes and mouth.
Now I see.
And the last thing is to decorate. Style your snowman with some kakahu, clothes.
Oh, we don't have any clothes to dress our snowman.
Ha! This is my magic box, ooh. All you have to do is imagine the object you want, and it will appear in the box.
Thank you for this taonga gift.
That's okay, or go and explore the magic box.
Wow! Look at the waterfall. It's completely frozen. And there's hukapapa, snow everywhere. Wow! Luckily, we've got our koti, jackets. Otherwise, we'll be frozen too. Let's start building our tangata hukarere, snowman! Remember what Pāpā Rākau said? Stack 3 poro hukarere, 3 snowballs on top of each other, from the biggest to the smallest. We can use kohatu, stones, for his eyes and mouth. Awesome work, everyone! Let's see what the magical box has for us. You go first. A hat! Ball-bye! A kamika! Scarf! I have buttons. Patene. Karoti? Carrots? For his nose. Ihu. Yay! It's a tangata hukarere, a snowman! Let's celebrate with a song.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
How was your day today?
It was so much fun. We learned how to build a snowman.
I bet he looked funky. Let's spell the word of the day. I hear Pāpā Rākau calling you.
Kia ora no Tākaro Tribe. It looks like you got all the mahi done today.
Oh, Pāpā Rākau.
Let's celebrate. Let's look at what you did today. Wao's weather forecast told us it's winter. You made a tangata hukarere, a snowman. I gave you my pauaka miharo magic box. You used the clothes from the pauaka miharo on your very own tangata hukarere snowman. What a fun day that was.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Po Mārie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe. Oroia tō mata, paraihe o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe po Māori e kuhu ki te moenga. Takoto iho ki raro e pai ai o moe moe.